up, gaming?
What's going on, guys? Talibok again here with the other part of the tutorial on how to watch movies on your PS3. So this time I'm going to show you how to convert your MKV files since PS3 doesn't support that format or file extension. So most files you will acquire are in this format, series and movies. So I'm going to show you how to convert this into a file that can be watched on the PS3. So you'll want to download the program called MKV to VOB, as you see here. PS3 video converter. So simply click browse and find whatever file you want. So let's take this test file here. So you'll also want to choose the destination directory, which is simply where it will where it will end up. And in here in configuration, you can choose a whole lot of options. So preferred audio language. It will depend on what options there are in the movie. For example, if you download a movie or have a movie, if you have a movie that has different languages and subtitles, you can choose what language you want and what subtitles you want as well. And if you have a subtitle as a separate file, you can also choose to add that one. So here you see file splitting, and since you can't move files that are bigger than 4 GB to your FAT32 hard drive, you'll need to check this one. So video transcoding is on automatic, output file extension is the automatic as well. You can choose pretty much any of these, I suppose, but the automatic works. Output type, file, and preferred subtitle language you can choose. Transcoding codec. Depends on what the quality you want. So the higher quality you want, the slower the process will go. And here are some various options, like always encode subtitles. So I have this one checked. It means that if you have, for example, a movie called Test in a folder, and you also have a subtitle file, you have to name the subtitle file Test as well in order for it to get burned into the movie. So here are some other things. I have on always transcode DTS. You can choose to uncheck that if you want, but I have it because sometimes you can lose the sound, and the sound can get very bad, so I have that checked. And I have automatic update on as well. So let's go ahead and click add file here. In here you can see the status. It says maxing, and here you can see the file being created. If here you can check delete source file after conversion. So if I choose this file to convert, it will be and I have that checked, it will be deleted after this one is created. So it really doesn't take that long, depending on the size of the file you want to convert, on what transcoding codec you have, and if you have a subtitle on, it will take way longer than it will without. So here you can see completed. You can go ahead and press clear and exit this program, and here you see it's the file. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, since most files that are Blu-ray have this file extension. It's a very good program to use. It's very simple, it's quick, and it gets the job done. What you may notice is that the file size may be a bit bigger or smaller depending on what options you have. As you see here, this one got about 39 megabytes bigger, but when you have larger movies, it can be a pretty big difference. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped you. Telebankoken out. Bye.